Instagram has this feature where you can see your followers' active time. Now, this could be a very good feature if you want to identify when is the best time to post for your Instagram account. So in this video, I'm going to show you where you can find that data. Before I continue, if you're new to this channel, do subscribe to this channel so that you can get more social media tips like this. Without further ado, let's jump straight into my phone and let me show you how you can check your Instagram followers' active time. Let's go. Alright, first of all, open up your Instagram app, click on your bottom right, which is your picture. So make sure that your account is in professional account or creator account or business account, because only those accounts you can see the data for your account. So click on professional dashboard, click on it, and then you can see there's many different things, right? So you just have to click on new followers, and then you can see the followers, the total followers. Okay, so you can see here at the top left, there's a filter where you can filter by the time frame. So you can see last 30 days or last 7 days, last 14 days, or for example, last 90 days. And once you click update, so you can see that how many followers you have, how many percentage has increased. Then you scroll all the way down and you can see here the active time. So you can see for my case, a lot of them are active at 9 p.m. So it is by every 3 hours. So you can check Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. So here you can see when they are active. So that's how easily you can see your Instagram followers active time. If you like what I share, do give me a like and subscribe to this channel. Thank you so much for watching and I see you next time. Goodbye.